When engineers and buyers source electrical insulation materials, they often start with a familiar specification, NEMA Grade XX paper phenolic. But finding a reliable, consistent source that matches that standard and supports your production timelines can be a challenge. At ITEN Industries, that material is Resiten 112, our NEMA Grade XX paper phenolic laminate, built for electrical and electronic insulation applications. Resiten 112 gives you a recognized NEMA Grade XX specification, dependable electrical insulation performance, a machinable laminate for punching, drilling, and fabrication, and standard sheet sizes that simplify sourcing and planning. It's ideal for electrical insulation components, terminal boards, panels, and a wide range of industrial applications where consistency matters. Manufactured in the USA, ITEN brings over 100 years of experience with the ability to supply both sheet material and fabricated components from one trusted partner. If you're looking for XX grade paper phenolic, Resiten 112 delivers the performance and the reliability you need. Visit ITEN Industries to learn more or request a quote today.